Oh, hi there. I rode against the pavement. Someone kind of pushed me off the pavement, but yeah, anyway. So that's chipped to all hell, and I'm gonna try and fix it myself. Obviously, it's gonna be on the cheap. I'm gonna use a little bit of spot putty, and then yeah, but I mean, I need to first sand it down. So what I'm doing here is sanding it down. It's a bit hard with it on the car though, so I took off the wheel, obviously, and laid it down flat and just went to town sanding it. So you need to sand it first, the aluminium all the way like smooth, and then fill in the gaps with spot putty. I ended up using body filler, which is way easier because body filler sands down really nicely. So yeah, you need to mask it off and then add your body filler and sand it down so good. Sand it out as smooth as you could. This would be my first failed attempt because it's the first time I'm doing it ever. I've never repaired a mag. I've sprayed a couple of rims before, but not repaired. When you're done spraying it, you're gonna want to put it in the sun. It'll bake for a lekker half an hour or so. And then put it back in the car. Done spraying the wheel. It's on the car again, but it's a different color to the back wheel, and this is something I figured out a while ago with cans spray that you buy from the hardware or from the shop or whatever. Now the can spray I bought was from Checkers. It was $40, silver metallic, high heat enamel silver metallic, and the back wheel is sprayed over was done over when I got the car by a mag place. That silver is different to the silver you can get from a can, so I will have to do it over again, or at least try and do it with that color spray. I've done it with that color, and you can, maybe if I should show you both at the same time. See, you can tell they're not exactly the same color. There is This one here is more of like a lighter, more metallic, more flaky type whitish grey silver. That is like a grey, like a silver, like a darker tone. Yeah.
3 days later.
Okay, so after doing it over, I realized this is not up to my satisfaction. So I'm sanding it back down again.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Huge fail on my part. This wasn't silver metallic. The lid looks like silver metallic, but it's not. It's only clear metallic paint, but it actually was a good thing.
I need to go to metallic now. I really did just one coat. So it's kind of like a base coat grey and then metallic over it. Oh, something fell on it. So now this will look if I get it in the sunlight. I put it in the sun now and I can get some idea of how it looks. Boy, that looks so good. So good. That is so cool. You do base color grey high heat and then Rust-Oleum metallic over the top. My goodness, that looks good. Wow, look at that shine. Look at that shine. This camera cannot pick it up. Look at that shine. There you go. Now that it's done, it looks very similar. Very similar. So yeah, boys, you can get kind of like really close to stock if you just follow my tips. It might be a little bit off, but I mean it's really close. Really close. Well then, cheers boys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.